Insurance. They will find all the discounts you qualify for. They can get you free SO22 and registration services so you don't have to stand in line for hours. Start now. Pay less on auto insurance and save with plans.